Welcome to the London Perspective podcast, where we talk about ways to turn your passion for gaming into a profitable business. Today, we're discussing how to make $10,000 per month by using ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI-powered chatbot that can help you generate more sales, leads, and engagement on Roblox. So, what exactly is ChatGPT, and how can it help you make more money on Roblox? ChatGPT is an advanced natural language generation model that can understand and respond to human input in a human-like way. It can be used to create automated chatbots for customer service, sales, and marketing on Roblox, among other things. Let's take a look at a specific example. Imagine you have a popular game on Roblox that allows players to purchase virtual items to customize their avatars. By using ChatGPT, you can create a virtual salesperson that can interact with players and help them purchase items. For example, the chatbot can respond to players' questions like, "What are the new items available?" or "How can I purchase virtual currency?" According to a study, on average, Roblox players spend $20 per month on in-game purchases. With a chatbot in place, you can increase sales by 20%, which will result in $4,800 per month. And this is just one example of how ChatGPT can help you monetize your game on Roblox. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not a magic solution and there are potential limitations and drawbacks. For example, if the chatbot is not properly trained or optimized, it may not be able to understand or respond to players correctly, which can lead to frustration and lost sales. Additionally, the cost of implementing and maintaining a chatbot may be a limitation for some developers. To address these limitations, we'll also be providing a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use ChatGPT on Roblox for listeners who are new to the concept. We'll also be discussing how to measure and track the success of your chatbot, as well as tips on how to optimize and improve its performance over time. Now, let's answer some questions you might have about ChatGPT and Roblox monetization. The next question is, what is the process for setting up a ChatGPT chatbot on Roblox? The process for setting up a ChatGPT chatbot on Roblox involves training the chatbot with a dataset of common player queries and responses. This can be done using open-source tools such as Hugging Face's Transformer library. Once the chatbot is trained, it can be integrated into your game using the Roblox API. It's important to note that this process may require some technical knowledge and expertise. The next question is, how can I measure the success of my ChatGPT chatbot on Roblox? To measure the success of your ChatGPT chatbot on Roblox, you can track metrics such as sales conversion rate, customer satisfaction, and engagement. This can be done by using analytics tools such as Google Analytics and tracking metrics like how many players interact with the chatbot and how many of those interactions result in a sale. The next question is, what are some best practices for optimizing and improving my ChatGPT chatbot's performance on Roblox? Some best practices for optimizing and improving your ChatGPT chatbot's performance on Roblox include continuously training the chatbot with new data to improve its understanding and response capabilities, regularly monitoring and analyzing chatbot performance metrics to identify areas for improvement, providing clear and concise information in the chatbot's responses to make it easier for players to understand and interact with, regularly testing and updating the chatbot to fix bugs, improve its functionality. The next question is, are there any limitations to using ChatGPT on Roblox? Some limitations to using ChatGPT on Roblox include the cost of implementing and maintaining a chatbot, which may be a limitation for some developers. If the chatbot is not properly trained or optimized, it may not be able to understand or respond to players correctly, which can lead to frustration and lost sales. ChatGPT chatbot may not be able to understand certain complex questions or queries. Next question. Is it possible to monetize the chatbot itself? Yes, it's possible to monetize the chatbot itself by charging players a fee to use it or by offering paid features such as premium responses or advanced analytics. Thanks for all the great questions. And as a reminder, we'll be providing resources and links for listeners to learn more about ChatGPT and Roblox monetization in future episodes.